Welcome to Universal Reads! Let's sing and learn the ABCD rhyme! A for apple. A for ant. A. B for bat. B for ball. B. C for cat. C for cup. C. D for dog. D for dot. D. E for egg. E for elephant. E. F for fish. F for frog. F. G for goat. G for grass. G. H for hand. H for hat. H. I for ink. I for insect. I. G for juice. J for jar. J. K for king. K for kite. K. L for lamb. L for leaf. L. M for man. M for monkey. M. N for neck. N for nose. N. O for ocean. O for oar. O. P for plum. P for parrot. P. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q. R for rope. R for rat. R. S for sun. S for sunflower. S. T for tap. T for tub. T. U for uncle. U for umbrella. U. V for violin. V for violet. V. W for well. W for water. W. X for Swicer. X for X-ray. X. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Y. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning on Universal Reads.